So, hi guys, it's the next day. We're gonna continue on the exhaust, but first things first, I got a package in from powder coating. Let's see what's inside. So the new CNC covers are specially designed for this bike, for this engine. I thought the original ones were a bit too chunky. They're like way bigger than the new ones. I modeled them in Fusion 360, 3D printed a prototype for the fitment, and these ones are CNC milled by Vinco Racing and then powder coated by Custom Coating Helvoirt. Let's get back to the exhaust. I still need to do a big portion of the exhaust. I think this will be it for this video. Let me know what you thought of what I did and what I had to show you guys, and give me a lot of feedback. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye.